Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves. Today I am going to show you how to completely stop apps running in the background on your iPhone 14. You can use these settings on your 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 iPhones also. So if your battery is draining fast and your phone feels slow or mobile data is getting wasted, then this video is going to fix all of that in a few minutes. So let's get started. So first off, I would like to explain what background apps do. Most iPhone users don't know this. Many apps keeps refreshing in the background even when you are not using them. So this causes battery drain, heating and slower performance. But don't worry, I will show you the exact iPhone 14 settings to stop this. So first let's turn off the main settings. Open these settings. Then go to general and tap on background app refresh. Here we have two options. Turn off background apps refresh completely or turn it off only for apps you don't use often. So I would recommend keeping it on all for important apps like messages, WhatsApp, everything. You can see I have off for all the applications that I usually use. Look at this: ChatGPT, Chrome, Facebook, Gmail, YouTube, WhatsApp. These all apps I usually use. So I prefer you turn it on for only selected apps that you usually use. Next one is, next let's stop apps from using the internet in the background. For that, go to settings again and tap on mobile data or cellular. Here you can see the mobile data for apps. Tap on show all. Here you will see all the apps you usually use. So now turn off mobile data for apps that don't need it. So you can turn it off for unwanted apps that you don't need the internet. Okay. So the next is background location access in one of the biggest battery killers. Background location access is one of the biggest battery killers. So for that, go to settings again and tap on privacy and security, then tap on location services and here tap any app like this one. Now change the settings from always to while using the app. Okay, so or completely turn location off if you don't need it. So this stops the apps from waking up in the background. So you can do for all the apps. So this will stops the app from waking up in the background. Now the next step is force close background apps. You have probably heard that closing apps feature will save battery. But Apple has confirmed that it doesn't really stop background processes. So the real power savings come from the settings I just show you. So background app refresh, mobile data and location controls. So the final tip is battery and performance boost tip. Again, go to settings, tap on battery. Okay, battery. Then scroll down, you will see a battery health and charging. Tap on that. Now make sure optimized battery charging is on. Toggle it on. So this will keeps your iPhone in the best condition and prevents fast battery drain. And that's it guys. This is the real effective ways to stop running in the background on your iPhone 14. You can do the settings on all your iPhones. So your battery will last longer, the phone will feel faster and background data usage will reduce instantly. If you found this video helpful guys, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel for more quick tech fixes. So thanks for watching.